It doesn't hurt to have some grease in your life or in your food. So guys, right now I'm gonna do a quesadilla using plant-based meat. As you know, quesadilla right now it's basically the easiest Mexican food that you can do on any given day. First things first, alright, slice some onions, some green chilies. The ingredients for Mexican or Tex-Mex food, right, is very similar to our Asian ingredients, so it's very easy for us to get it in our supermarkets. We have some mushrooms, and some garlic for me to chop. Okay, and I learned a lot of kitchen hacks or food hacks on TikTok. They show me chop the garlic on TikTok. It's just that you don't use the sharp end of the blade. You just use the back side of the knife. Does that look mince? It is, huh? This is a minimum effort, maximum output. So because in culinary school, right, they ask us to chop like that, make it into a mess. But this one, you see, within seconds, you have minced garlic and this alternative plant-based meat. Okay, some olive oil. Bits of butter. So once the butter emulsify, it's bubbling, in goes the onions. Okay, so the onions, we're gonna cook it until it's translucent, caramelize it a bit. Once it's a bit translucent, right, without it being caramelized, we put in the green chilies. Just some red capsicum for some color. Let's say you want to use the traffic light colors, which is the green and yellow and red. It's all up to you. Add in the garlic and mushrooms. Boom. We put in the plant-based meat. Alright. Then in goes the smoked paprika. Alright. And some chili flakes. The smoked paprika just lifts up the quesadilla filling, the aroma of it. Salt and pepper. Put it aside and let it cool down to room temperature before we can assemble the quesadilla. So while waiting for our quesadilla filling to render down to a room temperature, alright, we're gonna make some guac. So we have over here some of the finest Australian avocado. So onions, we need to just dice it. Coriander, just mince it up. Some lime juice. When you get this really ripe avocado, right, it's very easy for us to mash it up and make it into guacamole. A bit of seasoning, salt. Alright, so we have some tortilla skin with just the filling and cheese, and serve it with guacamole. That's it. Mozzarella cheese. Spread it out just like a pizza. Last one, just put your cilantro. Cover it up with another layer of tortilla skin. Okay, get your pan hot. Little dash of olive oil, butter for some emulsification. It doesn't hurt to have some grease in your life. But before that, right, okay, you see just some of the excess oil. You just run it on the top of this. You want to have the outer tortilla skin to have that crispy layer, to have that crisp when you bite into it, you have that a little bit of crunch to it, right? So once you see there's a little bit of char or crispiness to it, right, just flip it. And this one, you just coat it or cook it until the cheese is melted, and that's it. It's all crisped up, beautiful. So you saw the crispiness there, just like our local prata kosong. Beautiful. Rectangle. Okay, try to chop it up so that you can see the cheese all gooey. Guac at the side. So there you have it, our plant-based meat quesadilla with homemade guacamole. And now, it's time to eat. Lime juice. Get this. Ah, jeez. Let's go. Seriously, there's not much different in the texture of the meat, the plant-based meat together with the real meat. So, tell you, once you add it all with the other ingredients, it's just the taste that matters and the texture. And I think this will be the future of meat. You heard it here first, on Yahoo TV, okay? Come, let's finish this, bro. Let's go.